This is Srinivas. Welcome back to my channel K.S.R English. Now let us learn some other models in question tag. Let's start. If the statement is negative, how the question tag would become? Okay. Suppose he is not clever. This is a negative statement. Here not. So for question tag we have to remove the not. Okay. So helping verb is he pronoun. So is he. So we should remove not for question tag. This is for negative statement. This is the question tag. He is not clever. Here is he. And one more. Priya doesn't play guitar. Okay. Here we should remove int. So does. And Priya pronoun. So it was she. Does she? And one more example. My brother is not reading. My brother is not reading. So we remove not. Helping verb is brother. So brother refers to he pronoun. Okay. Is he? And one more. She did not meet me. Same like that. You remove not. Did. Did she? Okay. Pavan had not eaten orange. Same. You remove not. Had. Pavan refers to pronoun he. Had he. We have to put the question mark for every question tag. Okay. We shall not go. It is modal auxiliary. Shall, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must. These are all modal auxiliaries. Okay. So we shall not go. Now shall. So remove not. Shall we? Shall we? You need not to go anywhere. Okay. Again, not. Need you. This is a question tag. This is about if the statement is negative, how the question tag would be. If the statement is negative, but the words seem to be positive, but their meaning is negative. Let us learn how they would be. Some words are negative in meaning. They seemed positive, but their meaning is negative. Okay. For example, neither, hardly, seldom, scarcely, rarely, barely, none, nothing, etc. Okay. Hence, they will take positive question tag after them. Okay. Some words, neither, hardly, seldom, scarcely, rarely, barely, none, nothing, they seem positive, but their meaning is negative. Okay. So, in that case, how the question tag would be? See, for example, he hardly does any work. He hardly does any work. Okay. He hardly does any work. See, this is actually negative statement. You may think here there is not or in, so how it become negative? Okay, but hardly means negative meaning. Okay, hardly means not. Okay, he hardly does any work. That mean he doesn't do any work. Okay, so he hardly does any work. So here does helping verb. So he positive. Sorry, pronoun. So does he? So here we have to remember this statement is negative statement. So the question tag would become positive. Okay. And he found barely anything to eat. Okay. So barely, it is also negative meaning. So he found barely anything to eat. So the question tag would be positive. So he found. This is past tense. Find, found, found. So helping verb did. Pronoun he. Did he? Okay. And none came here. None came here. None means what? Nobody came here. That meaning. So none came here. So did. None. You can this pronoun they. Did they? Neither of them had gone. Neither of them had gone. So here had they. Had they? Morally scarcely believes in God. Scarcely. This is present tense. So morally pronoun he. Does he? This is all about question tag. When some words are they seem to be negative, positive, but their meaning in negative. Okay.